In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot your availability in Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling meetings and appointments without all the back-and-forth emails. But sometimes you might find yourself facing issues with your availability settings. Let's walk through the process to make sure everything is set up correctly and smoothly. First, we'll head over to Calendly's website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in Calendly's URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one before following along. For those who already have an account, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Calendly homepage. Here you can see a variety of scheduling options available to you. Look for the section labeled Scheduling and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens in terms of organizing and managing your appointments. Within this section, you'll find a list of your scheduled events. Now, click on an event to further explore the specific details. This is a crucial step as it allows you to delve deeper into the individual event settings and where you can troubleshoot any availability issues that might be lurking around. Once you've selected an event, the next step is to focus on the availability settings. Click on the Availability tab within the event settings. This is where you can see and adjust when you're available for meetings. Make sure to review the days and times you've set to receive bookings. If you notice any discrepancies or if your availability doesn't match your intended schedule, this is where you'll need to tweak the settings. Some important tips to keep in mind here. Double-check the time zone settings to ensure they align with your preferred meeting times. It's also useful to review any integrations you might have with other calendars, such as Google Calendar or Outlook, as conflicts there can affect your availability on Calendly. By following these steps, you've now gone through the essential process of troubleshooting your availability on Calendly. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or adjusting your existing settings, ensuring your availability is accurate is crucial to seamless appointment scheduling. With everything set correctly, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your meeting schedule is running smoothly. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. If you have any further questions or need additional help, be sure to consult Calendly's customer support or their comprehensive help guides. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!